We haven't walked this way in a while. Normally, every time we get to the corner of the fence, he tries to come this way. I just hadn't done it in the past couple of days. But I missed the record button for the last little part I tried to record, but it'll be alright. I know this I'm about to fucking freeze. Burr! 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 Did you hear him bumping? Did you hear him bumping? There was a car fire right over there last night. Come on, man, let's go. I can't feel my nose. Oh, you gonna cut me off now, huh? I kind of like and hate that they're doing 3-minute shorts now. Like, I don't know, 3 minutes is damn near a just normal video. Come on, Poochel. Come on, Poochel. Come on, Poochel. Quit sniffing. I don't know what you're sniffing, but come on. Come on, Poochel. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's go. It's cold, man. Come on. Ooh. Come on, Poodle. You ain't no damn bloodhound, man. Let's go. Rocky, come on. I mean, what are you doing? What are you even doing? You come out here 5 times a day, you sniff around right there every single time. Come on, Poodle. Thank you. I guess that's locked. There we go. Fresh water, a queen plate, and got that boy brushed out good. Yes, sir. Got you.